So, good afternoon, dear students. Today discuss about number system. First chapter name is number system. There are totally 10 types of numbers is there. First number is natural number. So, what is the definition of the natural number? Means a counting numbers are called natural number. A counting number start from 1, 2, 3, so on. The natural number denoted by capital N. So what is the definition of the natural number? Means a counting numbers are called natural number. The natural number start from 1, 2, 3, so on. A natural number denoted by capital N. Second one is whole number. The whole number nothing but a natural number. A natural number including zero. It is called whole number. The whole number denoted by capital W. Third definition is prime number. Prime number nothing but a natural number greater than 1 divisible by itself. A natural number greater than 1 divisible by itself, that is called prime number. Means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 all numbers are divisible by 1 itself. The type of number is called prime number. Prime number denoted by capital Q. Next one is composite number. The composite number is nothing but a natural number greater than 1 which is not a prime number, that is called composite number denoted by capital C is equal to 4, 6, 8, 9. This all numbers are greater than 1 only, not a prime number. That type of numbers is called composite numbers. Next one is integers. Integers is nothing but set of positive values and negative values. It is called integer. Integer denoted by capital I or capital Z. Next one is rational number. A number in the form of P by Q. It is called rational number. Rational denoted by capital Q. Next one is irrational number. A number in the not in the form of P by Q. Not in the form of P by Q. It is called irrational number. Example is root 5, root 7, root 6. These all values are not in the form of P by Q. So irrational number denoted by Q transpose. Next one is real number. Real number nothing but set of both rational number and irrational number. It is called real number. The real number denoted by capital R is equal to Q union Q complement. Q union Q complement nothing but both rational numbers and irrational numbers. Next one is complex number. Complex number nothing but a number in the form of a plus ib. It is called complex number. The example is 2 plus 3i, 4 minus 6i, so on. So next one is imaginary numbers. Square root of negative values, it is called imaginary number. Square root of negative values, it is called imaginary numbers. Everyone understood? So to discuss about number system, how many types of number system is totally 10 numbers is there. First one is natural number. A counting numbers are called a natural number. The natural numbers start from 1 to 3, so on. Whole numbers means a natural number including with a 0, it is called whole numbers. Prime numbers means a natural number greater than 1 and which is divisible by itself, it is called prime number. Composite number means a natural number greater than 1 and which is not a prime number, it is called composite number. Integer means set of both positive values and negative values, it is called integer. Rational number means a number in the form of P by Q, it is called rational number. Irrational number means a number not in the form of P by Q, it is called irrational number. Real numbers means both rational number and irrational number, it is called real number. Complex numbers means a number in the form of a plus ib, it is called complex number. The 10th one is imaginary numbers means square root of negative values, it is called imaginary numbers. Everyone understood? The next. So how to represent by the decimals? The decimals represent either terminating numbers or non-terminating numbers. Decimal representation. Decimal representation either terminating decimal A, the terminating decimal. The second one is non-terminating decimal. So decimal represent as either terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal nothing but a decimal with a finite number of places. Decimal, for example, a decimal with a finite number of places. It is called terminating decimal. So only decimal after only finite number of places is there. 2.456, 3.7897. So only a decimal with a finite number of places, it is called terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals means a decimal with infinite number of places. It is called non-terminating decimals. Means 2.565656. There is no end. So this type of decimals, it is called non-terminating decimals. The decimals represented as either terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. Terminating decimals nothing but a decimal with a finite number of places. It is called terminating decimal. So non-terminating decimals means a decimal with a infinite number of places. It is called non-terminating decimals. One more name is repeated decimals. Repeated decimals. So repeated means 2.56 repeated is there. So that can be written as 56 bar. The 56 repeated is there many times. That's why we can we can pick 56. You can write the bar on the which name is repeated. You should write the bar. So you understood the next one. So now we should explain the problems. These three problems. In these three problems, rational number. These three numbers, rational numbers convert as a decimal. How to convert the rational number? Convert the decimals means we can use the division method. So numerator write here. So denominator write here. This is called divisor. This is called dividend. This is called quotient. Final answer is called remainder. The numerator write value here, denominator write value here. So smallest number not divisible by the highest value. That's why 9 is not divisible by the 25. That's why in the quotient place 0 on the point after that we should add the 0. So now 9 is divisible by 25. 25 3 times 75. So now 90 minus 10 minus 5 is 5. Remaining 8 is there. 8 minus 7 is 1. So already 15 is not divisible by the 25. Already you have put the point. Directly you should add the zeros. 25 6 are 150. So now the 9 by therefore 9 by 25 is equal to 0.26. Now rational number convert as a decimal. So what are the number where we can use the division method? Numerator value right here, denominator right value here. So smallest number not divisible by the highest value. That's why in percentage put the 0 after put the decimal after that we should add the 0. 25 3 is 75. 90 minus 75 is 15. 15 is not divisible by the 25. Directly we should add the 0. Why you are taking directly at 0 means already putting the point. That's why you have to directly take the 0. So 150 getting 25 into 6 is 150. The 150 minus 150 by 150 minus 150 is 0. So 9 by 25 is 0.36. Same number. Second question also rational number convert as the decimal. Same right? Solution. The denominator right here, numerator value here right here. So now smallest value not divisible by the highest value. That's with percentage put 0 after the decimal after the 0. So 370 divisible by 99. How much value is getting? 3 9 is 27 plus 2 29. So 10 minus 7 3, 16 minus 9 is 7. So 73 is not divisible by the 99. That's why directly we can take the 0. So now 99 which number should multiply here to the 730 should come 7. 7 9 is 63. 63 plus 6 69. So 730 minus 693. 10 minus 3 7. 12 minus 9 so 3. So 37 is not divisible by the 99. That's why directly we can take 0. So again we can take 99 3 ja. So 99 3 ja 297. So 10 minus 7 3. 16 minus 9 is 70. So 70 is not divisible by the 99. Again we can take so 7 ja 99 7 ja 693. So now again 10 minus 3 7 12 minus 9 12 minus 9 3. So observe that 373 there is no remainder is 0. So the remainder not getting 0 still continuously getting. So that's why 37 right repeated many times. So 37 by 99 the value 0.37 is repeated many times. That's why 0. Which number is repeated many times? 37. Put the bar shortcut. Everyone understood? Finally, this value not getting remainder 0. Here 736 93. Here also 736 93. They are not getting remainder 0. The still until continuously getting. There is not getting remainder 0. Thus I stop the division. So write the what is the final getting answer is to write. 37 by 99 is equal to 0.3737. 37 is repeated many times. That's why you can write the one. So everyone understood how to rational number convert as the decimal point. Whatever the number we can given, we can use the division method. The next one is so first question is rational number convert as the decimal. Second question the given decimal point convert the rational number. So first question is 0.5. The second question is 0.25. Third question is 0.356. The fourth question is 4.0027. Here, this is the decimal number. Decimal number, how to convert the rational number means, here first question 0.5. 0.5 multiplied with 1. 0.5 into 1 is 0.5. So how many number after decimal is there? Only one number. So one number is there, take 1 0. So how many digits after point is there? Many zeros we can take here. First 0.5, only 0.5 into 1 is 0.5. One digit after decimal is there, 1 0 you can take. What is the value you are getting? 10. So multiply with 10, divided with 10 you can take. So now 0.5 into 10, 5. The denominator is as it is. So 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So 1 by 2. So 0.5 value is 1 by 2. So how to decimal point convert as the rational number means what are the given number first to multiply with 1. 0.5 into 1 is 0.5. So 1 digit after decimal is there, 1 0 you are writing. What is the value you are getting? 10 you are getting. That's why multiply with the 10, divided with 10. 10 get cancel, same value is getting. Only this value were assuming. So multiply with 10, divided with 10. Numerator value 0.5 into 10 value is 5. So denominator 10 as it is 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So 1 by 2. Finally, decimal number convert as the rational number. Second one is 0.25. First what I am telling? First take 1. 0.25 into 1 is 0.25. How many numbers after digit? 2 digits after what is 2 digits? Take as 2 zeros. What is the value you are getting? 100. So multiply with 100, divided with 100. So now numerator 0.25 into 100 is 25. Denominator is 100. So So now 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja is equal to 1 by 4. So 0.25 value is 1 by 4. Everyone understood? Next third question, 0.356 into take as 1. How many digits after point is there? 3 digits after point is there. Take 3 zeros. So 1000 multiplied with 1000 divided with 1000. So multiplied with 1000, 0.356 into 1000 is 356 divided with 1000. So now 2 5 is 10, so 500, 2 500 is 1000, 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 8 ja. Next 200, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 25, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja. So next, so the answer is 89 by 250. So now 0.356 into 1000 by 1000. Numerator value to multiply with 1000 by 1000. So now 2 5 ja 10, remaining 2 zeros as it is. 2 1 ja 2, remaining 15 is it. 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 6 again. 2 2 ja 4, 10 is it. 2 5 means 500 divided by 2 is 250. So 170 divided by 2 is 89. The final answer is 89 by 250. The fourth one is 4.0027 multiplied with 1. How many digits after point is there? 4 digits. So take 4 zeros. So 10,000 multiplied with 10,000 divided with 10,000. So multiplied with numerator values 4 into 4.0027 into 1000 is 40,027 by 1000. This value is not divided by. So this one is as it is. Everyone understood how to decimal point convert as the rational number. This is the process. So here decimal point after 1 digit is there, multiply with 10 divided with 10. Decimal after 2 points there, multiply with 100 divided with 100. Decimal after 3 digits there, multiply with 1000 divided with 1000. Decimal point 4 digits there, multiply with 1000 divided with 1000. Everyone understood? So here 0.6 bar. 6 bar means repeated many times. 6 is repeated many times. This value is nothing but 0.6666 infinite times. So this number it is called non-terminating decimal or else repeating decimals. This number how to convert the rational number. Non-terminating decimal, how to convert the decimals means let 0.6 bar can be written as 0.6666. Consider question number 1. So what I am telling in before question, decimal point of 1 digit is there, multiply with 10 no, divided with 10 then taking. So decimal after 1 point is there, multiply with 10 only multiply with 10. So multiply with 10 into 0.6 bar. 10 into 0.6 per value is 0.6661. This nothing value is 6.661. So now everyone understood? After 0.6 is the non-terminating decimal. This non-terminating decimal convert to the rational number means 0.6 bar. 6 bar is nothing but 6 repeated many times. One decimal after 1 bar is there, I am taking multiply with 10. 10 into 0.6 bar is equal to 10 into 0.6 bar value is nothing but 0.6661. Multiply with 10, so getting 6.6661. Now subtract from equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. What is equation 2? 10 into 0.6 bar is equal to 6.66. So on. From equation number, what is the first equation? 0.6 bar is equal to 0.666. Subtracting, sign will be changed. 10 minus 1 is 9 into 0.6 bar. 6 minus 0 is 6. Everything value is 0. So what is the value of getting final answer? 9 into 0.6 bar is equal to 6. Only to calculate 0.6 bar. The 9 value is in the denominator. So So 0.6 bar is equal to 6. 9 is in denominator means 6 by 9. 3 2 jar 3 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore 0.6 bar value is 2 by 3. They everyone understood? 0.6 bar it is a non-terminating decimal. This non-terminating decimal convert as the rational number. First 0.6 bar is nothing but 6 is repeated many times. Decimal after 1 point is then multiplied with 10. So finally we are getting multiplied with 10 means 6.666 so on. Subtract from second equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 is called 10 into 0.64 is equal to 6.66 so on. Equation number 1 is 0.64 is equal to 0.666. Subtract from equation 2 minus equation 1 is 9 minus 1 is 9 into 0.65 is equal to 6 minus 0.6. The 6 minus 6 0 0. 6.0 is 6 only. So only to calculate 0.6 bar 9 is in denominator. So 6 by 9 the value is 2 by 3. They have understood? The next question. So 0.13 is a non-terminating decimal convert as rational number. 0.13. 13 bar means these two numbers repeated many times. So 0 point repeated 1313. So consider equation number 1. Decimal after two numbers they multiply with 100. So 100 into 0.13 bar is equal to 100 into 0.13 bar value is 0.131313. So multiply with 100 13.1313. So number 2. Subtract equation 2 minus 1. The equation 2 is left side 100 into 0.13 bar is equal to right side value is 13.1313 so on. First equation is 0.13 bar is equal to 0.1313 so on. Subtracting sign will be changed. 100 minus 1 is 99 into 0.13 bar is equal to 13.00. So now, what is the final answer you got? 99 into 0.23 bar is equal to 13. Only to calculate 0.13 bar. 99 is in the denominator. 0.13 bar is equal to 13 by 99. There is the answer. How to non-terminating decimal number convert the rational number means 0.13 bar means it is the non-terminating decimal and also repeated decimal. So 13 bar means 13 repeated many times. 0.13 bar repeated and 0.131313 so on. Decimal after 2 point is then multiplied with 100. 100 into 0.131313 is nothing but 13.131313. Subtract from equation 2 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. 0.13 bar is equal to 30 minus 0 is 30. Everything will be 0. Only to calculate 0.13 bar this value is in the denominator. Everyone understood? The last question in this method. So 0.023 bar it is a non-terminating decimal. So at 0.023 bar can be written as 0.023 repeated many times. You can write 023 023 so on. Decimal after 3 digits is there multiply with 1000. So 1000 into 0.023 bar is equal to 1000 into 0.023 value is 0.023 so on. So finally 23.023. Answer equation number 1. Answer equation number 2. Subtract from equation 2 minus equation 1. So first second equation is 1000 into 0.023 value is 23.02303. First equation is 0.023 bar is equal to 0.02302. Subtract from equation 2 minus 1 is sign will be 1000 minus 1 is 999 into 0.023 bar is equal to 23.00. to calculate only this value. So what is the final answer getting? 999 into 0.023 bar is equal to 23. To calculate this value, XR is 999, send the denominator. So 0.023 bar is equal to 23 by 1099. Everyone understood? There is a non-terminating decimals. How to convert the decimal number? Everyone understood? Okay. So today's class is over. So I will explain what are the types of numbers is there. The second one is how to represent it by the decimals. I will explain how to rational number convert as the decimals. Next question is how to convert the decimal as a rational number. How to convert as the non-terminating decimals as decimals. Okay, I think everyone understood this concept. Tomorrow, revise the software how to find the LCM and LCM. Everyone understood? It is clear. Thank you to everyone.